Dear students, so welcome to the session. So in the previous session we will discuss about the acrylic. How the acrylic can be prepared through polymerization reaction. So what is the starting monomer can be used? Acrylonitrile. So we can get the polyacrylonitrile compound. So that polyacrylonitrile compound can be dissolved in a solvent. So what other solvents can be used? Sodium thiocyanate and DMF, that is dimethyl formamide. And so that compound is undergoing the spinning process. So from that spinning process only we can get the thread-like filaments. So that thread-like filaments is used for the further clothing purpose. And now we will discuss about the characteristics of synthetic fibers. So what are the synthetic fibers we can discuss? What are all that? Rayon, nylon, polyester and acrylic. So these are the synthetic fibers we discuss. Now we will discuss what are the characteristics of synthetic fibers. That means advantages and disadvantages of synthetic fibers. So first we will discuss about the advantage of synthetic fibers. What are the advantages? So in that, the synthetic fibers are less expensive. It is less expensive. The natural fibers are more expensive because it is extracted through plants and animals. It's very more comfortable to us. But the synthetic fibers, it can be prepared through man-made synthetic process. It's man-made fibers, so that the economic cost it will be less when compared to natural fiber. And next is it is strong and elastic. So these synthetic fibers are strong and it is elastic, so that it can be used for the bunions. And next is, so these synthetic fibers are easy to maintain. It's very easy to maintain the synthetic fibers cloths. And it is durable. So durable means we can wear it for long time. It is durable. And so these synthetic fibers are easily available. So we can buy the synthetic fibers cloths in all shops. It's easily available. So these are all the advantages of synthetic fibers. It is less expensive and strong and elastic and easy to maintain and durable and easily available. So these are the advantages of synthetic fibers. And next is disadvantages of synthetic fibers. So what are all the disadvantages of synthetic fibers? The first one is it is shrink and melt when burnt. It is shrink and melt when burned. So for example, when we wear the synthetic fiber cloths and we will crack some crackers. So in that the fire particles will be catch through our cloths, means it will burn. It will more hazardous. And when we cook some other things, so on that when we wear the synthetic fibers, means if some fires will be obtained in our cloth means it will burn the skin. It's also hazardous. And next, it do not absorb sweat. So these synthetic fibers do not absorb sweat because the synthetic fibers, it doesn't have the porous. The porous means small holes are not available in the synthetic fibers. So it will not absorb the moisture. It will not absorb the moisture. So it will not absorb the sweat. So when during the summer, so we can't feel more comfortable when we wear the synthetic fiber cloths because it will not absorb the sweat. That is the reason. And next is less comfortable to wear. So when we wear the synthetic fiber cloths during summer, so what will happen? It will not absorb the sweat because it will not having the tiny holes are not there. It will not absorb the moisture. So it will be less comfortable to wear. And next is production process might harm environment. So when we prepare the synthetic fibers, rayon, nylon, polyester or acrylic, it can be prepared in the factory. So in that factory the preparation process will be there. So lot of gases will be come out and lot of waters, that is dying water will be come out. It will be hazardous to the environment. So these are all the disadvantages of the synthetic fibers. The first is shrink and melt when burnt. Do not absorb sweat. It is less comfortable to wear. And production process might harm environment. So these are all the disadvantages of the semi-synthetic fibers. Just we can give one example, detailed example. So you can see the natural fiber. So in the natural fiber, it's having empty spaces. There are more empty spaces are there. More porous. Porous means holes are there. And through that, it will absorb the moisture. It will absorb the moisture. And when we wash the natural fiber cloths, it will suck more water. So it will make dry for a long time. It will take time. It will dry slow because it will absorb more water. Why? Because of it has empty spaces are there. And when we see the synthetic fibers, so in the synthetic fibers you can see holes here, children. You can see empty spaces here? No. So no empty spaces are there. No holes are there. No pores are there. So no empty spaces. So it will absorb the moisture. No absorption will be there. Why? Because of it will not having the empty spaces. If the empty spaces are there means it can absorb the moisture. So here no empty spaces are there. So it will not absorb the moisture. And it will soak very less water when compared with natural fiber. For that purpose only it will dry faster when compared with natural fiber. And next is, so when we wear the synthetic fibers when we cook something in the kitchen, so what will happen? The synthetic fibers will melt and it will stick into the skin. It will stick into the skin. It will stick synthetic fiber. So that is the major disadvantages of synthetic fiber. So when we do some cooking process in the kitchen, so please avoid the synthetic fiber cloths. So this is the disadvantages of the synthetic fiber. The synthetic fibers, it will melt on heating. It will melt on heating. That is the major disadvantages of the synthetic fibers. So when we go for kitchen for cooking and when we go for laboratory for doing some practicals. So in some practicals when we do some heating process, no. So at that time, please wear the natural cloths. Avoid to wear synthetic cloths. If we avoid the synthetic cloth means it will stick onto the skin. It will melt. The cloth will be melt and it will be stick onto the skin. It is the major disadvantages of synthetic fiber. Okay children, so see you on next session.